Talk now. Why are you doing this? Stop crying now. Talk. What is it? Joy, talk now.
I started coming back from the street. Even I started beating me.
What? Ifunanya? Wait. Ifunanya has the ghost to touch my sister in this village. Where is she now? Ebele, no.
She's in their house.
Okay, in their house, eh? Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Where's that Ifunanya? Where's that girl? Don't worry. I did this to you. I get with you.
What did my sister do to you?
Talk. Talk. Is that the reason why all of you are here?
Yes. What did she do to you? Tell us.
Yes. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
The Okeke erect man across my own side of the land. This man is looking for trouble. He's looking for my trouble. Yes. And then this one. Okay. You're looking for my trouble. Okay. I'll show you. I am going to show this Okeke. He's looking for my trouble.
Hey!
He doesn't know where the man. Can you see what Okeke is?
I can see you.
Look at
Okay.
Hey!
Why must you do this type of thing like this?
Yeah? Felix, what do you think you are doing?
Okay.
What do you think you are doing?
What did you do here?
Don't even try it. Don't!
Do what?
What you want to do?
Okay, is it to raise family on this land? Don't you know where the boundary is?
This is my land. Yes.
Your land.
Your own is there.
This is your land?
Yeah,
this is my own land.
No.
Yeah, Felix.
What is it now? Oginikwa?
Nani, Biko, just calm down. Oh, calm down. It's obvious this land belongs to our family.
Yes, now.
Woman, you lie. You and your husband are liars. This piece of land belongs to me, and nobody can remove me from this land. Even these hips, you cannot remove it.
This is our land now.
Look at what the husband did. Hey. And he's there arguing.
Biko, no, Biko. We can settle this thing amicably.
There is nothing to settle amicably. This portion of land belongs to me. You have no right to farm here.
He should remove it. This palm tree is the boundary now. He knows he's not supposed to farm on this land.
That Uchono. Buchono, one soje mego ya. Msoje nuta, buru manya ni sima. Jenu batagi, kina be paramoke. Ta buchono.
Chaluko, okay, were you not the one? You finished the manya, you were drunk. I'm even surprised you could find your way back. If you're kid, if I can make it.
Okay, if you talk to my wife like that, I will break your head.
You cannot do anything.
Papa Kenneth,
Please, Papa, calm down, please. We should not fight over this now. This piece of land is not so important to bring enmity between the two families.
It is. If your father does not remove this rubbish,
I will not
see
remove
what I'm
it.
going to do now.
Hey. Nani, Biko now. Biko now.
I must stop you. You will not do anything here.
Okay.
Yes.
Chelu now. Okay.
Papa, Obi, what are they doing?
They are fighting. Papa is okay now.
Papa, please now. Papa, please.
Let me deal with this man. Leave me.
No. Wait. Calm down.
Deal with this man.
Calm down. It's okay.
You. This land will eat your head. Don't come to this side of the land again.
It's my land.
I have warned you.
You want to take my land?
Don't come to this land again. I have warned you.
No, baby, go there. Okay. You position, you baby.
Bankwanto, anyambilime.
Odurokwa no mma Papa Kenneth. Check kwa odurokwa mma.
Okay, kanto, anyambilime. Agedi na gwo fe. Na biko kai jadi. Ya, na kai na. Ike walu pa.
Nna ibike okwa niwe. You must learn to control your temper. You shouldn't have gone into any confrontation with him. What if he was hurt in the process?
Oh, Dikeh, that situation did not call for a fight. There are ways of handling this kind of situation.
No.
But he must remove those rubbish from there.
Of course he must.
You don't know Okeke. Okeke is a very stubborn man. He will not remove those things.
Mana, seriously, this whole thing is getting a bit too scary. Manananye, I would suggest, since it's a small portion of land, you can forget about it. Before this thing becomes something else. It will not take anything away from us.
Have you forgotten that the piece of land next to it is where Kenneth wants to build his duplex? No, it will not be good. It won't be good at all.
Hello, Blessing. You must learn to keep your mouth shut when you have nothing reasonable to say. I won't allow Okeke to take that personal. And that is final.
Okay.
Hey. Nai, please, calm down. Calm down. I think it's time you involve your kinsmen into this.
No, I will not involve anybody. I will handle it myself. This portion of land belongs to me. It was given to me by my late mother. They can never have it. No, they can't.
The truth is that it amazes me how Papa Kenneth began to fight over this portion of land. Yes, I am blind, but I remember when my grandmother used to dump her refuge there. Everyone knows that land belongs to her. How come Papa Kenneth is now laying claims over this land now that she's dead?
Oh, that is to show you. He has a plan. He just wants to snatch what belongs to me. Just because he feels he has a worthy son. But he has lost. Completely has lost. Because I can never live to see that happen. It can't happen.
But Papa, if I may suggest, I will say you allow him have that piece of land. Please. Allow him have it so that peace will reign among us. I'm tired of this quarreling and fighting every blessed day.
Shut up your mouth. Have what? Have what? They can only have that land over my dead body. As long as I live, Okeke, they cannot have it. They can't.
It's okay now. What is all this? I think you should listen.
Listen to who? It's enough. Enough is enough. Did I ask for your opinion? If you have one, please keep it to yourself. Nonsense.
Nine.
Hey.
Nine. Hey! Ekwensu Magale. Ekwensu Mele, look yo. It's not my portion. It's not our portion.
Jay-Z! I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the tank, let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she dey whine, let us do this. I dey actor, action. I dey do activities like overtaking. I dey react to something like party. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet Obama, cause you know say you never chop bread Obama. Mama, the sucker we knock you back. Mama, the sucker we knock you back. Dance so my lady, you dey make me high. Baby, I no go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want chop my money now, go down. So she want follow me now, go down. So she want follow me, go down. Me and you for stage now, show down. My lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spray you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh, yeah, come dance for me. Your biggie body. Fine, shorty. Oh, yeah, come dance for me. Oh. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. Dance, let me see this. Come to my party, let me see this. Teach me how to dance, cause I know some dance. Tell me who made it possible, cause you today dance. 1, 2, put on your shoes, beautiful. Teach me how to dance, 5 and 6, put your legs dance. Take it to the left, to the right, in front. Let me show you how we do this, not be saying I talk. Allow me to my mental, music on my hobby. All of them shock, cause I put these on. Grab your old toys, I'm getting a new toy. I'm liking your body, I'll buy you Ferrari. Dance, enter the party, dance. I spray you the money, dance. You show me the money, dance. Cause I'm living the reckless life, oh. Sexy lady, no I'm yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Go for me, make we dance, oh. Cause I'm living the reckless life, oh. Sexy lady, no I'm yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Go for me, make we dance, oh. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine.
So when we get back to the city, give your wife my regards.
Okay, no problem. The money I gave to you for Mama Richard, please give her to me.
Of course I will give it to her.
Then she said I should get her a bag of rice. Tell her I'll get the bag of rice. Let her make a list. Anything else she wants.
Okay, I'll tell her to make a list.
I'll get everything.
Yes, Kenneth. You sent for me.
Mazi Okeke, I see you've grown wings. You've grown wings. You now talk to my father anyhow. You challenge my father. That boundary there, that boundary is clear. Very clear. Okay, Mama?
Oh, yeah, no. The palm tree is there.
Thank you. So why do you encroach into our land? Why? Mazi Okeke, I'm trying so hard not to lose my temper. I respect myself, I respect you. I'll be back in this village in a few days. I want you to remove everything. I repeat, uproot everything you planted on that land. Every damn thing cleared. I want to see that boundary clear.
Kenneth, if that is the way you call me, You are very stupid. You are very stupid. You don't have respect for elders. Huh? You think you can open those your eyes for me? Look, you can open those your eyes to your mate in the city. Not me, Okeke. Did you hear what I said? That portion of land belongs to me. And you and your father cannot do anything about it.
Mazi Okeke, you will do exactly what I have said, or I will deal with you.
What did you just say?
I said I will deal with you.
You said you will deal with me.
You
will deal with me. You are very stupid. You are very stupid. Huh? Is it just because of this small money you made? Huh? That is why your head is blowing. Everybody's calling you Kenneth, 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 Kenneth. Huh? The money that nobody even knows. The means of it. If your name is Kenneth, cross to that land. Let me see.
Be careful.
Kenneth said he will deal with me. Mwa Okeke nwa ibano sika Kenneth Esin. Now you deal with. In fact, Kenneth, Imezugo.
Come on, Papa. Come on. Forget that. That was nothing.
You call that nothing?
Yes.
Huh? I know that boy. That boy will make sure he carries out his threats. Huh? You know he feels he has made money. And that is what is intoxicating him.
Nai, it's okay. That was a mere threat. Of course, you know he will not do anything to harm you.
Mama Ngozi, you call that a mere threat? That boy is heartless, like father, like son. He has threatened to deal with me. I will not take it lightly. I will not take it lightly. Anyway, I know what to do.
This is gradually becoming something else. Hey, Mama, what is all this?
Alright, here we are. One for you and one for me. Honey, what is it? Don't tell me you're still thinking of that village episode.
Honestly, I don't know why some people in our village do not respect my family. I don't know why. And that's Okeke, man, especially him. I don't know why. At least he should respect my family. If for nothing else, because of me. I think it's high time I taught him a lesson that he will never, ever forget.
Baby, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. No! What am I even talking about? I should have taught him that lesson in the village before coming back here.
Baby, let's look at it this way. You can't start going back to the village now. There's always tomorrow. Alright. To calm your temper.
I don't want that. I'm fine. Drink all of it. I'm fine.
Honey?
Thank you.
Okay. It's okay. Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay.
You can put some whiskey in it. I prefer that. Just add a little whiskey. I prefer that.
Just relax. Okay?
Thank you. Where is Ngozi?
She's inside.
Please call her. She sent for me.
Okay, I'm coming.
My sister. Joy. You are here already. You sent for me? Yes, I sent for you because I want to ask you one question. What is it? Joy, are you aware of what your father is doing to my father?
Is it because of that portion of land?
Yes. I don't know why your father is laying claim on my grandmother's portion of land. Huh? Please, you are my sister and also my friend. Let me talk to your father to leave my father's land alone, please. We are one and we should not be quarreling. Huh?
Don't worry, okay? I'll talk to my father. I know that you will listen to me, but I'll talk to him, okay? You go.
Papa is always disturbed and he's very sure that I did not cross your father's own land.
Don't worry, they'll settle it. What do you guys have in this house, I beg?
We have rice and apple.
Wait, Biko, yam rice.
I'll bring apple for you.
Yam rice.
Alright, don't worry, okay? I'll talk to my father.
So how is everything?
Fine.
No, you're welcome.
Felix here and his son have vowed to take what belongs to me. The portion of land my mother left for me, my late mother. In fact, his son threatened to deal with me if he comes back from the city and still see my hips on that land.
You are a liar, Okeke. Okeke, you are a bloody liar. That land belongs to me. And by the way, my son did not threaten to deal with you.
Yeah, Felix.
Yes.
Are you denying your son did not say anything like that?
I am not denying anything. I am telling you here that my son did not threaten him.
You are a liar. Your son threatened to deal with me. In fact, let me just tell you, the enmity has just started.
Okay, you are in enmity with yourself. You cannot cover what is not yours. That land belongs to me.
It's not your own. It is my land. Huh? It is my land. And you know very well that that land is mine.
Okay, we shall see.
It's okay. Okay, and Felix. Could you people allow us to come into this? Okay. You brought this issue to us. Won't you allow us to say something?
I'm sorry.
Stop jumping from here to there. Okay, this little portion of land in question, could you people take us there?
Of course. If you people want, I will take you to the land.
There is no need to take anybody anywhere. Because it will not solve anything. That land belongs to me.
Have you seen it, my brothers? That is to show that Felix and his son, they are up to something. But let me warn you, the gods of this land will judge you for this. Please, leave my land for me. Leave the portion of my land for me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're all brothers. And I am very sure that both families have a common boundary in that land. And most of us here know the exact boundary. Don't worry, we shall come to see it. For now, it has not gotten to the level of dealing with one another.
It's alright, I've heard you. It's okay, I said it's okay, I've heard you. It's obvious that man wants me to give him a piece of me. That's exactly what I'll do. Don't worry, don't bother yourself. I'll be in the village tomorrow. Alright. Don't worry, you'll see what I'll do. Just wait for me to get there. Okay, thank you.
Are you traveling to the village tomorrow?
Yes. That man Okeke is at it again. Can you imagine him spreading rumors all around the village saying that I threatened to kill him? And then he reported my father to the king's men. Hey!
Honey, please, honey. Can we just forget all these flimsy issues and face our own problem?
And what is our own problem?
You're asking me. The fact that we haven't been able to have kids is not a problem to you? Like, seriously? You're not going to do anything about it? I even suggested we go see a man of God. You bluntly waved it aside.
That is because men of God do not give children.
No, don't say that. We need to see this man of God. He's not just an ordinary man of God. He is a powerful man of God. His testimonies are everywhere. I believe something is behind this. Please, let's just get this sorted out once and for all.
And I say it again, and I'll say this for the last time, once and for all. Men of God do not give children, okay? I'm not going to see anybody. Only God in heaven gives children at his own time. If you have a problem, you kneel down and pray yourself out of it. I don't want to talk about this again. Excuse me. There you are. All right, I'm set. Ready to go. Hello, what's wrong? Sweetheart, what's wrong? You're even crying. What's wrong? Hope it's not because of what we discussed last night.
We've been married. We've been married for 5 years now, yet no child. Couples in this kind of situation would not rest until they find a solution to their problem. But look at me, my own case is different. My husband is not bothered, he doesn't care. He is not bothered.
Come on, how can you say this? And what makes you think I'm not bothered? Of course I am so bothered.
If you're bothered, then prove it to me. Prove it by following me to go and see the man of God. I've told you he's a powerful man of God. Once we see him, I'm sure our problems would be solved.
I can feel it is coming. Once more.
Let the power of the Lord come down.
Let the power of the Lord come down in Jesus' name.
Let the power of the Lord from heaven come down. Let the power of the Lord come down.
Holy Ghost, do it again. Do it again in our life. Open my eyes. Oh, I can see it. Yes! Brother Kenneth, while I was in the spirit, I had a revelation. Your problem is within your family.
My family?
Yes. I saw a woman closely attached to you, tying your wife's womb. And she swore never to hear a baby's cry in your household.
A woman closely attached could only be my mother or my stepmother.
Yes! Yes! I can see it. I can see it. Reveal it. From the left or to the right. Reveal it. Brother Kenneth, do you have a stepmother? Then she is behind your problem. She is behind your wife's barrenness.
Pastor, forgive my reaction. Forgive me, but I don't think that's possible. And this is a lady I know too well. I grew up with her. She's like my own mother. Anything I do for my mother, I do for her. And even her kids. Her kids are like my own siblings, so... Sorry, but it's not possible.
Never you trust anyone, Brother Kenneth. Even that person that is most dear to you can stab you behind your back. You need to confront her. Make her confess and undo what she did to your wife here. Except that is done, your wife will never conceive.
Okay, what if I confront her and she denies it?
Then come back to me and I will confront her and expose her evil deeds. I will expose her evil deeds! Yes! Yes! I say it! It is natural for me to say the things that hampers you people. Your problem is within his family.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
No. No, I don't believe it. I don't think Mama Richard I know, will plan any evil against me, no.
Are you saying you're doubting the man of God?
Not like I'm doubting him, I'm just saying that there's a mistake somewhere. Yes. You know, I'm checking all the possibilities. You're telling me you believe him as well, knowing fully well the kind of relationship we have with her.
Does it really count? Does it? Like the man of God said, trust no one. Your stepmother has a very weird attitude, which I have chosen not to discuss with you. It's very possible she's behind this.
Okay, so the summary of what you're saying is that you don't trust her?
Of course, yes, I don't. Like I said, she has a very weird attitude. If I start listing out the things she does, you would be shocked. What are we even saying? Why don't you just confront her? Yeah, confront her.
Nem, what is it? Why are you crying? What is the problem? Did anybody offend you? Talk to me.
Papa, people say that I'm beautiful.
Of course you are.
But I can't even see what beautiful things look like. Papa, did I offend God?
No.
To people born with blindness, just like me. I'm not even seeing you, Mama, Obioma, or even late Grandma. Allow me to cry for my condition, Papa.
Yeah. It's okay. I'm your father. I love you so much. I'm not complaining. Your mother is not complaining. Your sister is not complaining. Look, some people were born crippled, deaf, even dumb. Let's just leave everything in the hand of God. Look, stop crying. It's alright.
Papa, it's just that I'm bothered. Will I be able to get married at least? To have children like other women and give you and Mama grandchildren?
Stop saying that. You get married. At the right time, the right person will come. You will see him. It's okay. Stop crying.
I'm begging you, if you love me, don't do this. Please, I'm begging you.
I love you, but I have to do this.
Sweetheart, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Please, don't do this. Don't do this. Sweetheart, I'm begging you. You're inviting the devil, oh. Please, I'm begging you. You promised you were going to keep the words I tell you. Please, sweetheart, please. Don't go to the village with this gun. Please, I'm begging you. Please, 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 please. Sweetheart, please listen to me. Please. Sweetheart, please don't do this. Sweetheart, please don't do. Not available. How? No, this is not true. This is not true. God. What do I do? Okay. Hello, Ijoma.
Hello, my wife.
Yes, Ijoma, please, where are you?
Hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem. It's just that my husband left the house a few minutes ago.
Left where? Jesus!
Yes, he left the house. He said he was going to the village too. Hello?
What?
Hello? Ijoma? Hello? kind of temptation is this? What do I do now? What do I do? Okay.
Are you trying to tell me that she didn't tell you what the problem is?
Didn't you hear what I said?
Don't do that to me. I wasn't the one that collected the phone.
Ijoma, what is it? Can someone talk to me? What is it?
Obi, I was just coming back from the village this afternoon. Immediately I dropped from the bike. Amaka called me. We were still conversing when two guys just came from nowhere and snatched my phone.
Oh my God.
The only thing I could comprehend was she was trying to report something about Brother Kenneth to me. And she sounded tense. I just have this feeling that all is not well with our brother. And since then, we have been trying to call her. She's not picking.
Hi, God. I've been trying the number. It's not connecting.
I'll try again.
It's still not available. God.
Is everybody okay in the village?
The number is still not connecting. The number is still not available.
Hi, God.
Keep that.
Try more.
It's not available. My battery is even dying.
I'm so sorry for the loss of your bag, okay? What are the contents?
The content is not my problem. I just have this feeling that something bad has happened to our brother.
God forbid! Nothing will happen to him.
Nothing has happened.
Like accident.
Nothing has happened.
Let me just try the number. Let me see.
Where is she? Where is that woman? Where is she? Where's the mother? I said, where is she?
She went to the farm.
Which farm?
Hey, Kenneth! Kenneth, come back! Kenneth! Kenneth, what's going on? Kenneth, what are you doing?
Papa, leave me.
Give me this gun.
Oh!
Give me
Papa,
this gun.
no, leave me.
Give me this gun, Kenneth.
Papa, leave me now. Leave me.
Leave this gun.
Leave me. I'm fear this woman. I'm fear. Leave me. Oh, Papa!
Ask!
Hey!
Kenneth, you woman.
Hey! Mazi Okeke! Hey! What happened to Mazi Okeke? What happened? What happened? Can you find my TV? Let's remove the bike. Let's remove the bike. Can you weapon me? Mazi Okeke! Hey! Hey! Mazi Okeke! Hey! What happened? Hey! What happened? How did it happen? Please, let's move the
Kenneth,
now.
go and get your car. Hospital. Hey! Let's take them to the hospital, please.
Hey!
Don't let them die, please. Bring the car.
Come back. It's okay.
Your husband is okay. Huh? He's fine.
Madam,
Madam, it's okay. It's okay. Just calm down, okay? He's fine. He's fine. She's okay. Just calm down.
It's not alright. It's not alright. It's alright. It's not alright. Take it now. Take it now, God. God.
Papa.
Yes.
Mama. Papa. Mama. Mama.
This place here at the chest.
And your daughter? Hi, God.
Don't die. And no doctor can see them.
What kind of life is this?
Papa. Mama.
I'm sorry. Well done.
Huh?
Please, have you seen my husband? Or maybe Papa or Mama, somebody. I can't find anyone in the house.
Your husband just shot Okeke Bams and your daughter a few hours ago. Yes.
And they have been taken to the hospital.
Hospital? Which hospital, please?
No, don't know. Just saw they move now. I don't even know which hospital they went.
Yes.
Hey, Kenneth.
William. Inata. Welcome. Joy. Is everything alright here?
No, Mama. Kenneth just shot Mazi Okeke and his daughter Obioma. And they've been brought to the village central hospital.
Eh? Nyamaka. Butu. Eh? Eh? Hey! Hey!
What is this that I hear? That my husband shot somebody?
We had a very rough day today. It's true.
Hey. How? I mean, how? What happened? How did it happen?
Yeah. That's the way we saw it. That's the way we saw it. But tell me, were you not aware when he was leaving home?
Hi. I knew it all. I knew it. I tried to advise him, but he would not listen to me. I knew it.
Oh, it's okay. Stop crying, my daughter. This is really tense.
Hey, Papa, please, what about the condition of the people he shot? How are they?
We don't know yet. They're still in theater.
Oh, Chimo.
The doctor said I should call one of you.
Huh?
The doctor said I should call one of you.
Okay, I'm coming. Your husband went to the police divisional headquarters to make entry while I take care of things here. Huh?
Oh, okay, Papa. Let me quickly rush to the police station. I'm coming back.
Good day, officer. Good day. Please, my name is Amaka Nzekwe. I'm looking for my husband, Mr. Kenneth Nzekwe.
Kenneth Nzekwe? Oh, not be that man where shoot a man with his daughter. That criminal that shot a man with his daughter.
Officer, my husband is not a criminal. That was an accident.
Hold on there. What you talk saying your name, sir?
Amaka Nzekwe.
Now, wow.
Amaka Nzekwe. Okay, wear your wig now.
Huh?
He said, huh? Now wear your gown. My husband is not a criminal. No, your husband will never be a criminal. You walk up from your house, come here, come ask us questions. Barrister Amaka. Oh yeah, now, if you not come out here now, I'll take you inside this cell with your husband. Your husband be DPO of this station. I be now your papa be the Republic of Nigeria. One country shows our work. I'm not going to allow you to see your husband, so you better go back from where you come from.
Officer, you cannot say that. He is my husband and I have every right to see him, irrespective of whatever crime he has committed. He is still my husband.
Hey,
I have every...
Stop. Irrespective of what? Eh? You come here and you blow grammar, like say you dey for court. Irrespective. Get out of this place before we throw you into the cell with your husband.
They go now.
Constable. Put them for sale. Come on, in fact, get out of this place.
Make it they go, madam. Now, no time. Now, we will put you for this cell. They go now.
If case not taken, put them for sale. Maybe meet your husband there. I said, come out for here.
You know they hear.
They go now.
You know what, Tomo?
Now that Felix and his son have gotten what they want over a little portion of land, Matthias,
and
what is a little portion of land? Eh? When will people learn how to stop making trouble out of nothing?
Raphael, I am sure you know that was a deliberate action.
Were you not there when Felix and his son threatened to deal with Okeke? Look, they are deceiving themselves. They think that they will go free if any life is lost.
They think money is everything. Let me see how that their money can save them this time around.
My brother.
Eh? Is Kenneth the only young man that has made money? How much does he think he has? If you think he has money, let him go to Abuja and buy all the land there.
Yes.
Eh?
Nothing I didn't say to you. I knelt down and begged you, but you vehemently refused to listen to me. Now see where the whole drama has ended. See.
It was an accident. I was struggling with the gun with my father. My finger touched the trigger.
What if you had killed them?
God forbid. God forbid nothing will happen to them. Please, I need you to do me a favor. Get to the community hospital and know how they are doing.
I'm coming from there.
How are they?
I need to help her.
Hey. The next thing will be to get a good lawyer.
It's okay. I'll handle that. It's okay.
Well done. Please, I'm looking for the victims of the gunshot, the ones that we brought in here for treatment.
Okay, you mean the man and the daughter?
Yes, yes.
Okay, the man is in the theater, while the daughter is out already.
Theater. Nurse, please. I'm begging you in the name of God. Will he survive this?
By the grace of God, I think he will.
Okay, please, what about the daughter? Can I at least see her?
Sure. The first word by your left.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I believe by the grace of God, they will be okay. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Where's Papa?
Papa is outside. Let me take you to him. Vicky, please, I'm coming.
So Richard's mother is responsible for your barrenness.
Will you shut up your mouth? Is that what you should be discussing in a place like this?
But Papa...
I say keep quiet. Just pray to your God that nothing happens to Okeke and the daughter. Because if anything happens to them, you're not going to get out of it. Nonsense pastor, backyard pastor. How are you even sure what he told you was true? Huh? Just be praying your prayers. So.
What is the meaning of this? Eh?
Mama, relax. Let's just solve this issue at hand. We can resolve that later.
blessing. Bokwa chelumo, ana m abia. Bo chelum na gwongworo na abia.
Now, are you trying to tell us your son did not mean to attack Okeke?
Yes. Okeke was not the target, like I told you. My son was going after the stepmother in view of what the pastor told him. And I was trying to stop him before this thing happened.
Felix.
Yep.
You know, you and your son threatened to deal with Okeke. Or was it?
No. What we had was just a minor misunderstanding over a little piece of land, which did not even warrant the use of gun.
Don't you think if a little piece of land was good enough to cause such enmity between the two families within a short period of time, it can possibly also cause your son to use gun on them?
No. Look, that is not true. There's no enmity in my family. It was just a minor issue. All of us, quarrel with our brothers and sisters, even our wives and children. I mean, it doesn't warrant anybody to use force.
Felix, so what you are now trying to make us understand is that your son did not shoot Okeke and his daughter deliberately.
Exactly.
Okay, we are going to institute thorough investigation on this issue. And of course, you know the fate of any murderer in this our community.
I do. My family and I are prepared to face any consequences if we are found guilty.
Hey!
Yes.
Yes.
I was in my room sleeping when I heard voices saying Mama Richard must die today. I thought it was just a dream until the voice became louder. So I then came outside to know what was happening. So that was when I saw Brother Kenneth carrying a gun coming towards me. So he now asked me where Mama was. I told him that Mama went to the farm. He wanted to go after her. That was when Papa now came out. So they were dragging the gun. Unfortunately, the bullet went off, and that was how Ini Okeke and the daughter was affected.
Mama, where were you at that point?
Mama, I went to the farm.
Mama, did you quarrel with Kenneth's mother or Kenneth?
So why then was he looking for you with a gun?
Has Kenneth turned to a hunter? Gone. Kona Iziala, is he mad?
Amazim.
Okay. It's all good. Let's sit here and wait. Let's just wait and see. Yeah? I need water, Biko.
Hey! Aro. Hey!
Vamos.
Hey!
Jide Offor! Gịnị na-eme? Gịnị? Jide Offor!
Mmiri ama efi n'anya, mmiri mara efi n'anya.
What am I hearing?
Hey!
Jide Offor, talk to me. What am I hearing?
Nukutaro mere Okeke Ibangusi is dead.
Hey!
Amadiohe! Ana m ajụ ihe omee n'ife ka ọ na-alụ.
This is too much for my ears.
I'm just hearing it from Amanda here.
Nkwepu n'egbe wee na. What of the daughter?
You better ask him of the daughter. I don't know. Ask him,
Amadi.
ask him.
We don't know yet.
Aye. Okay, what do we do to handle the situation?
Since the police is aware of this matter already, I suggest next thing tomorrow morning, we go and make a report to them and tell them that Okeke is dead.
It's a nice idea. It's a nice idea. In fact, this is police matter. You can't just handle it anyhow.
What is happening? Tell me, what is going on?
Are you asking me? Okeke Bounce is dead. You and your son have killed him.
Oh, yes.
You have killed him, oh.
Hello.
Pretender.
No.
Finally, Okeke Bounce is dead.
He's dead.
He's dead.
Sit down. Oh, can get my line. Because what I'm trying to...
Papa, no.
Papa, this one you're like this, is everything okay?
Papa, talk to us now. What's the problem?
Nani, what is it? What happened?
Okeke Bounce is dead.
Mazi Okeke is dead and gone.
One more. That was what I heard today. The one I don't understand is the fact that your father refused to talk to me.
Mama, maybe it's because he's worried. You just said now that Mazi Okeke is dead. Or do you expect him to be happy about it? Do you?
Who the hell do you think you are? Where Kibo? Hi, who the hell do you think you are? No, tell me, who the hell do you think you are? Because you have money, you think you can do anything you like and go scot-free. No, I am the end of the road for you because I will shock you. Ma shock, okay? They're calling you Kenneth Edo. Kenneth Edo, Kenneth Edo. Today, Memekalo, I will tell you, it's only a foolish man that takes a man's meekness for weakness. No, you didn't just do that. You stabbed me. You walked out on me. Mua, hey, Echo, please. You stabbed me. Mua. Okay, now let's go here. You walked out on me. Hey. Okay. You walked out on me, Abi. You walked out on me. Watch me again. Yes. Aha! I thought you walked out on me. Next time, you don't walk out on people like me.